Let's be real, guys. I'm not going to teach you something lame like how to get AI to write your social media posts or post them onto social media for you. Instead, I'm going to teach you how we can now use AI agents to process your own social media posts at scale and then use that to improve your understanding of your own social media narrative. Now, first, let's get a copy of all your LinkedIn posts. For today's video, I've actually worked with adjunct professor Raymond Chua to get all of his LinkedIn posts into a folder on my computer called LinkedIn Posts. As you can see, I have every one of his LinkedIn posts saved in my folder in Obsidian. Now, once all your posts are nicely organized like Raymond's, let's point the AI agent at it and ask it to do the following. So I'm going to type, synthesize a LinkedIn profile and key messages framework based on all the files in the LinkedIn folder. Store this in a markdown file called linkedinprofile.md in the same folder. In future, whenever I write a LinkedIn post, I want to point you to this markdown file so you can assess my post for coherence with my personal profile and alignment to my key messages. And then you press enter. Within a few seconds, your AI agent will process all the LinkedIn posts into a comprehensive framework. When you look at a file, you realize this file allows you to better understand your own social media narrative and how you tend to write posts, and also what kind of themes you've been pushing out on social media. Now, don't use this to blindly write your next LinkedIn post. Instead, you should use this framework to assess your LinkedIn writing like so. So tell your agent, using this LinkedIn profile.md, assess this new post I just wrote in latestpost.md and point out to me what may require improvement, realignment, or rethinking. And just like that, you will get a comprehensive review based on all that you've been posting in the past few years of your LinkedIn campaigns. Now, I'm long-winded, but here are two caveats when using an AI agent for writing social media posts. Number one, never ask AI to write your social media posts for you. LinkedIn in particular, it's all about thought leadership, or at least it should be. Using AI to drive that is just plain disingenuous, lazy, and soon you'll lose even your own voice. Number two, you should prune and update the body of all your social media posts used to create the framework. Don't count on the AI to know how you may have grown with time. Well, I'll see you in the next video.